Okay, I just got me a mini bike. Went down to Smyrna, Tennessee and picked it up. $75. I know, I don't care for the color, but it's not gonna stay out way long. The guy had it, didn't know nothing about it. He said the police pulled him over for riding it on the road, so that's the only reason he had it. Go back and forth to the store because he didn't have no driving license. Young black dude. I think it's a 5-horse Honda engine, I think. I don't know. There ain't no markings. Let's see. There's a number on there. I just got it. I just picked it up. I hadn't fired it up. Nothing. I stopped and got me a Harbor Freight motor to put on it. Didn't know if this motor ran or not. I just wanted the frame. Don't know what kind of frame it is. Don't know when it was made. If anybody knows, I guess, I don't know how you go do the talking back and forth. I barely know how to video. I'm trying though. But I'm fixing to get the pull spring fixed on it, the starter rope. The spring's good in it. Put me a rope on it, put this back on it, put that on it, and see what it looks like. I'm gonna paint it blue, I think. I've got a test sample there on it, but I don't know if you can see it. Look like he's took the valve cover off of it to paint it, and it looks like it's been leaking there a little bit. I'm gonna take the motor off, clean it up, see what it does. Alright, be back in a little bit with it.